This guide shows you how to check Windows 10 for new security and feature updates. This is particularly handy if you've just bought a new PC or even a refurbished PC, because you don't know how long it's been sat on a shelf for and when the last time it was checked for updates. Some of the newer PCs may have left the factory many months ago, and the same with refurbished PCs. They might have not connected to the internet for quite a while. So this guide shows you how you can check to make sure that you've got the latest updates on Windows 10. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to click on the Start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and then when the Start menu appears, type on your keyboard the word Updates. Then after a few seconds, under Best Match, you should see Check for Updates. Move your mouse over that and left click once. You will then see a Windows Update window appear. As you can see on mine, there's a Check for Updates button. Now you might find on yours that it might already be downloaded updates, and there may well be a list of updates just here. If it is, then just let it do what it's got to do. I'm going to check for updates, so I'm going to move my mouse over Check for Updates, left click once. Now please bear in mind, whilst it's checking for updates, this could take a while and it may look as though it's not doing anything apart from those circles just going backwards and forwards there, but please be patient with it. And obviously if you've got a laptop, please ensure that it's plugged into the mains and switched on, just in case the battery runs out, because this can be quite a lengthy process. So as you can see, mine's now downloading and installing some updates. So again, this part will take some time. At times it might look as if it's not doing anything. Please just leave it, and what I'll do is I'll pause this video and we'll come back to it when it's downloaded and installed the updates. So as you can see, it's now saying restart required. Now you might have on yours an install now button. If you have, click the install now button and just wait for the updates to install. But as you can see, as I said, mine's got a restart now button on there, so I'm going to move my mouse over restart now and left click once on it. The computer will now restart. This may take a little while, so please be patient with it. And as you can see, it says preparing to configure Windows, and there you go, configuring Windows updates now. Again, this bit might take a bit of time. And as you can see there, it's got to 30%, and now what you'll probably find is that Windows will now restart. And as you can see, it's now restarting. And as you can see, it's now restarting and carrying on with configuring Windows updates. And there we go, it says it's now 100% complete, but please be a little bit more patient with it. It's going to take a few more seconds or minutes depending on the speed of your laptop. And here we go, it's now signing back in. So there we go, the computer has now restarted. So I'm just going to check again just to make sure there's no more update. So I'm going to click on the Start button and then type on my keyboard Updates. And then after a few seconds, Check for Updates should appear under Best Match, so left click that, and the Windows Update window appears again. So I'm going to move my mouse over Check for Updates and left click that and see what happens. Now if there are any more updates to be installed, then once again let them install. If the computer needs restarting again after the updates have been installed, it will tell you, it will bring you up a Restart Now button, and restart, and just keep doing this, keep following these instructions until you get no more updates. So as you can see, it says on mine now you're up to date, so therefore I don't need to do any more updates, and hopefully from now on the updates will be fully automatic and they will come through to my PC automatically without me having to touch anything. So there you go, that guide showed you how to make sure that Windows 10 is fully up to date with security and feature updates. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.